Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make Maggi taste maker and Maggi magic masala. For the taste maker, I have taken 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. These two powders are a must, only then you will get the exact taste of Maggi masala. Half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Give a good mix and your taste maker will be ready. For the magic masala, first we'll see what are the ingredients that are to be dry roasted. I have taken quarter cup of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, one teaspoon of fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon of methi, two bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cardamom pods, 6 cloves and half a teaspoon of peppercorns. Dry roast them until it turns aromatic. Switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. I am adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. One teaspoon of amchur powder, one teaspoon of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Add it to the mixer jar and grind it well. Once the powder is ready, store it in an airtight container. This will stay up to 6 months. You can add this masala to any sabjis that you are going to make. Our Maggi magic masala is ready. It's so easy and very simple to make these premixes. Hope you all found this video useful. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.